In this guide, you'll learn how to fix the no internet connection or network error issue in CapCut. Let's get started. When you open CapCut, you may notice that online templates, effects, or assets are not loading. Instead, CapCut shows a message asking you to check your internet connection, even though your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working perfectly fine. In most cases, this issue is not caused by your device or internet. It usually happens when CapCut servers are temporarily down, under maintenance, or experiencing heavy traffic. When the servers fail to respond, thousands of users may see the same network error at the same time. To confirm this, you can visit a website like Down Detector. Simply search for CapCut and check if there's an outage reported. If you see server issues, there is no manual fix. You'll need to wait until CapCut restores the service from their end. However, you can still try a few basic steps. First, restart your PC and open CapCut again. Next, try resetting your network settings. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then select Advanced Network Settings. Click on Network Reset, then tap Reset Now and complete the process. After that, make sure CapCut is updated to the latest version. Open the Microsoft Store or official source and install any available updates. If the issue is server-related, these steps may not fix it immediately. CapCut will automatically reconnect once the servers are back online. And that's it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.